The ratio of the number of women to the number of men to the number of children in a room is 5 to 2 to 7 respectively. What is the total number of people in the room? So here we have a ratio question. Let's start by setting up our ratio. So we got women to men to children. And a ratio. And so I like writing this. I got 5x women, 2x men, and 7x children. And total, I have 14x people. And so what is the total number of people in the room? They're asking for 14x, but really I just need x, where x is this sort of this integer multiplier. So I'm like so many ratio questions, this is really just a game of find the multiplier. What is x? The total number of women and children in the room is 12. So what does that mean? So that means 5x plus 7x is equal to 12. And 12x is equal to 12x is equal to 1. And so this is sufficient to answer our question. Remember, so technically that they're asking for the total number of people, so there's 14 people in the room, but I don't even care about that. I get x equals 1. I rephrase my question as what is x? Statement 2. There are fewer than 4 men in the room. So what does this mean? So 2x is less than 4. So you got to think about a couple things here. Remember, we cannot have partial people. So it might seem like, oh, there's still infinite values for x here, but no, this is a real world situation. So what are possible values for x? So x can be 1, in which case 2x would be 2, but x cannot be 2 because 2x has to be less than 4. So x equals 1 is really the only possibility here. X cannot be equal to 0 because if our multiplier was equal to 0, then we would have no people in the room at all, and this question wouldn't make sense. So you can assume that there's got to be at least one person in the room. So there's really only one possibility here for x. X has got to be equal to 1. So these are actually both sufficient. Not that bad, even though the second statement there is a little bit, that's the tricky one for sure.